Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the XS Scuba Quick Disconnect with Swivel. So this is going to fit to your second stage, between the second stage itself and the regulator hose. And this is both a swivel joint and a quick disconnect. So you get the swivel joint, which means that for a traditional second stage, you're not going to get the same kind of jaw fatigue because your hose can sort of root in from most angles. So you don't get the same kind of strain as the hose is trying to pull it out. So you've got to bite down on it. With a full face mask as well, again, that hose doesn't have to come out straight out at a 90-degree angle. It can come out at whatever angle you want. It also has a quick disconnect feature, which means that you can disconnect the second stage from the regulator hose. Again, more useful for full face masks when you're trying to de-kit in the water, so you can leave your full face mask on but disconnect it from the hose. It has a locking mechanism, so you can't disconnect it accidentally. You've got to turn this little collar so this section lines up and then pull it back just like your BCD hose, and then it disconnects. Putting it back together is just as easy. Push it together and then just lock it in position so it doesn't accidentally discharge. So a very handy piece of kit. It's all made out of metal, so it's nice and tough. This is the XS Scuba Quick Disconnect with Swivel. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.